Welcome. Today I will show you how to add and change password on the Mi temperature and humidity monitor. So begin by actually opening up the app itself. It's just this. And from here, select the temperature and the humidity monitor and tap on the three dots up here. And from here you will see, where is it? Additional settings, I believe, and security settings, and then turn on password. Then you can just set up some kind of password, type it 2 times, and now you have a password set. So if you now try to go into it, let me go back, like so, it will require a passcode. And if you're wondering what's the purpose of this, it's when you add other devices to work with it, you can basically lock it so no one can change the settings of it. So you can set things like at specific temperature, something will turn on or off, and without the passcode you won't be able to change those settings. And going back to the additional settings, and yeah, you can also change it if you like to by just change passcode. Type in the current one and then enter a new one. So all you need to do is just enter a new one and it will be immediately changed. So that is basically how to set and change a passcode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.